Okay, so we are in the list common multiple class. I have done the first class. Now this is the second class. Okay, if you don't know much about list common multiple, please make sure you watch the first class because I explained something fundamental that would help you with this class. Okay, so it says here find the first two common multiples of 2 and 5. So here, all right, in the first class, we learned how to find the multiples of a number. Now we are trying to look for common multiples between numbers, two numbers, three numbers. Okay, so you need to know how to first find multiples before we now start finding common multiples. What does the word common means? That is similar, what they have the same. Okay, that's what a common means. Okay, same, similar. All right. Now let us look for the multiple of 5 and also of 2. So we're going to write the multiple of 5 here. Remember, the multiples of 2 is the first multiple is 2 times 1, which is 2. So let's do it up to 10. Then we'll now find the first two common multiples between these two numbers. Okay, so we do 2 times 1, which is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 6 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. All right. 2 times 4 is 8. And 2 times 5 is 10. We have 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 9 is 18. And 2 times 10 is 20. You can see the multiplication table is just all about adding twos, okay, repetitively adding twos to get the next number. If you're having difficulties with your multiplication table, that is just the trick. If you forget 2 times, let's say you forget 2 times 6, but you still know 2 times 5, all you need to do is add 2 to 10 and you get 12. Okay, you've forgotten 2 times 7, just add 2 to 12 and you get what? 14. Okay, you get 2 times 7. All right, so we stopped here at 10. All right, so we found the first 10 multiples of this. Let's now find the first 10 multiples of 5. So we start with 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is what? 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. And 5 times 10 is 50. Okay, so we now have two numbers and their multiples. All right, so let's now look for what is common to both of them, what is same to both of them. Okay, what same numbers do they have? For here we can see, you can see 10 here and you can see 10 here. So this is common. In math it's called common. All right, in your simple English, just to understand, it's called, okay, they have the same numbers. All right, now you can see 20 here and you can also see 20 here. So these are the common multiples of 2 and 5. The question asks for the first two common. So we have 1 and 2. So we have found the first two common. So we write our answer as what? 10 and 20. All right, we found the first two common. If you're told to find the first three common, first four common, it means you now have to increase your multiples. You continue increasing your multiples till you get what? A common. All right. For example, if you're told to find, let's say we want to find another common. All right. So we have to do here, this is 20, that is 2 times 10. 2 times 11 is 22. 2 times 12 is 24. 2 times 13 is 26. 2 times 14 is 28. And 2 times 15 is 30. You can see we have 30 here, we have 30 here. So 30 is another common multiple. Do you see that? Okay, I just gave this as an example. All right, so now let's look for the common multiple between 3 and 4. All right, so we do 3 and we do what? 4. Okay, follow me closely. So let's find the first 10 multiples first. So we do 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is what? 9, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times 6 is what? 18, 3 times 9 is what? No, 3 times 6 and 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 9 is 20. Oh, sorry. Why am I going to 3 times 9? I apologize, okay? This is 3 times 7. Then 3 times 8 is what? 24. And 3 times 9 is 27. Then finally, 3 times 10 is what? 30. Okay, let's stop here. Let's go to 4 times table. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is what? 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5, all right, is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 9 is 36. And 4 times 10 is 40. Okay, so let's find our first two common multiples. You can see we have 12 here and we have 12 here. You see that is common. Which other number? You can see we have 24 here and we also have 24 here. So these are our first two common multiples between these two numbers. All right. So I'm going to, right now, you now understand. Let me do number 5 for you. Let us do number 5, this 3. You are going to do this and this and this as your classwork. I'm going to do number 5 with you. Okay, let me clear the screen now. All right, so we do 2, 3, and 4. Let's find the multiples together. All right, so we do it again. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 10 is 20. For 3 times table, we have 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 is 27. And 3 times 10 is 30. Let's go to 4 times table. We have 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is what? 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 7 is 28. 4 times, let's say 4 times 7, 28. 4 times 8, 32. 4 times 9, 36. And 4 times 10 is 40. Let's see if we can get our first two common multiples from here. So we are looking for the first two common multiples from these three numbers. Okay, so the number must be common to this, and common to this. And can you see this? I can see 12. I can see 12 here. I can see 12. Okay, you can see 12 is common to this, and common. Okay, so this is the common multiple in these three. This is our first common multiple where we check. Let's see if we can see another. 16 is here, 16 is here, but 16 isn't here. 18 is here, 18 is here, but 18 isn't here. 20 is here, 20 is here, but 20 isn't here. What do we do? Let us try to add some other multiples to 2. Okay, so let's do, you go to the smallest, because we have bigger numbers here. Let's see if what we can increase 2. All right, so this is 2 times 10. Then we do 2 times 11 is 22. 2 times 12 is what? 24. You can see here we now have 24, 24, and 24. Do you see that? Okay, so these are our first two common multiples of these three numbers. If you want to find more common multiples, you have to find the more multiples of 2, more multiples of 3, and more multiples of what, 4. Then find the multiple that is common to the three numbers. Okay, so remember, you have your classwork is this: number 3, number 4, number 5. I want you to find the first two common multiples, and don't forget to get your textbook and open them up and solve some more practice questions. We are working on worksheets which would be uploaded on our website, so mommy and daddy can print worksheets for you to work more. All right, so and don't forget, if you're preparing for your common entrance, you're taking your common entrance exam soon, tell mommy and daddy to get you the CBT practice app to install on your tablet. Okay, if you have a tablet or a laptop that mommy and daddy has gotten for you, you install it there and you practice for your maths, your English, your basic science, quantitative, verbal, and social studies. And after you finish practice, there are correct solutions, to check your work. All right. So if mommy and daddy interested for tutoring for your child, you can WhatsApp us. All right. Thank you, and see you in our next video. Don't forget, kids, that Jesus what loves you. And what do? You honor mommy and daddy, respect, obey them, and be good. Okay? Do what's good. All right? Do what Jesus would do, all right, and which is what's good, all right. So, and treat your siblings well, okay, and your friends well also. So take care and see you in our next video.